Versatility, innovation, comfort. For over 130 years, each Wolf product has been designed and built to these standards. It's our unique frame design, which fits any of our futon models, that sets us apart. Go from sleep, lounger, recline, and sofa position with ease. These adjustments can be made from either the front or the back of the futon, giving you complete control no matter where it's positioned in the room. We understand that comfort is equally important to convenience. Our frames feature a metal grid base that equally distributes weight, eliminating uncomfortable points of pressure found in some futons. Shipping is simple as well. The frame easily disassembles and can be shipped with any parcel carrier. No expensive freight charges or additional fees. Versatility, innovation, comfort. They're our foundation and future. Wolf Corporation. Sweet dreams since 1873.